sharing some good and bad memories all together. Stay tuned. This is the last time I'm watching this because there is an objection that I cannot write this Madhurima sketches, so I have to remove this. But I thought at least this graffiti will be there, but never mind. Objection of that, I can have this techno bill only, nothing, not even the graffiti. I really felt bad when I was removing this, but I shared this video because so many people were asking why this picture is not there. So I am showing you this is the reason, and I will share the journey. How did I painted it? If I had idea that it is not possible to create this over here, the painting is not allowed, then I never do that. That's why I have to remove it. As this is a common area, so the objection was that I cannot paint it like this. I cannot write that. So I'm sharing the good memories when I was painting over here. Actually, there are people who stick bills over there. That's why we decided after this renovation that we should put this stick no bill. So I thought why that only that stick no bill, I can do a graffiti because I can paint well. So that's why I decided to do that. But that was not in my mind. Even I really don't know that in the common area, if it's a flat and it's a common area, I cannot write down that my business. So I said okay fine. When the objection was there, so I said okay fine, I will remove that. But I'm sharing the funny moments when I was painting over there. My cute stray doggos were there. They are like supervisor. So this stick no bill is very important. Otherwise anybody can give ad in the wall, and it looks very bad actually. It took almost 4 days, 4 to 5 days actually, to complete everything. And here comes my cute doggos, the supervisor. They were all the time over there. What I am doing, they were sitting and watching very patiently. Now this is how the painting started. I used to wake up very early, around 4:30 a.m. to 5 a.m., and then I used to do the painting slowly. So first this is done. Seriously, that time I did not know. I have no idea that I have to remove it. But you know what, I always believe whatever happened, that is for good only. Maybe I feel bad that I worked hard and then it looks so good, but there must be something good is there, that's why this happened. So never mind. You know what I said, that during Durga Puja every year they create a good pandals, a good art, and after that they have to terminate or remove everything. So in the next year again they do something very nice. So maybe something good is going to happen with me, who never know. And that was the final graffiti I was doing. So my doggos are there to supervise that if I am doing it right or not. So I enjoyed the painting. It was like a bigger canvas for me. Some more thing is coming. I will say this is not the end of everything. I am a positive person, and there will be definitely some positive outcome. Even my parents told me that maybe people will come and take selfie over here, so that can be a problem of our safety and security. So that's okay. I removed it. So sharing all the memories and my big canvas, it will be in our memory definitely. And as I said that something will good happen definitely. The 7th March I created this, and 4th April I deleted that. So অনেকটা দুর্গা পুজোর মতনই কিন্তু ব্যাপারটা হলো। আমি কিন্তু খুব পজিটিভ ওয়েতে এটাকে নিলাম। আর ঠিক আছে, এরকম অনেক কিছু আমরা আস্তে আস্তে শিখি, যেটা আমি শিখিনি সেটা এটার মধ্য দিয়ে আমি অনেক কিছু জানলাম। স্ট্রিকারটা মুছে দিতে খারাপ হয়েছিল, বাট এটা কিছু করার নেই। দুর্গাপুজোর সময় প্রত্যেক বছর এরকম ইলাস্ট্রেশন অনেক কিছু হয়, তো পরের বছর আবার নতুন কিছু হয়। যখন অবজেকশন এসছে সেটা ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। এটা মুছে দিচ্ছি, হয়তো বিগের কিছু বড় কিছু হয়তো আছে, আই নেভর নো, মেবি আ বিগার ক্যানভাস। দেখা যাক কী হয়। অফ করছি। It's done. There is no trace, and I don't have to wake up early. I put this stick mobile over here also, so that nobody destroy the wall actually. Otherwise, that is a big issue in every flat or apartment. Anybody can stick the ads and so many things, so that you need to prevent. It is good if I can paint, so that's why I did it. Otherwise, previously so many kind of ad and leaflets were they stuck over there, so it won't happen again. End is the new beginning, what I can say. Stay tuned to Madhurima's kitchen as usual. Thank you.